Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use on your device. So firstly, let's enter the dialer because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will be similar to the previous one. It is also very short. It's *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this we can check the regulatory information, the model, the FCC ID and SIR. So let me get back and let me check another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as you can see, we are in a calendar info. Here we've got some family events, some events attached to your mail. What's more, you will be able to also check some holidays in your country and events attached to them. So this is the place where we've got all the events stored in one place. Let me get it back and let me show you another code, which is *##4636#*##. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode. Here we've got 4 different options connected to our device. We've got the phone info, usage statistics, Wi-Fi info and NFC settings. So let me pick the phone information, and as you can see here, we've got some further details about our device. So here we can check, for example, email number, car network, data service, data network type and voice service, for example. Obviously I do not have many info right here, but it is because I do not have my SIM card inserted. So if you will have one inside your device, then you will be able to check those info. What's more, we've got run ping test option here, and here we've got the results of it. We can also tap on this 3 dots icon, and here we can enable data connection, for example, or view fixed dialing numbers. Let me get back and let's check usage statistics, for example, and here we've got the full list of all apps, all things, let's say, installed on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time, so we can check that, for example, we've been using settings for 30 minutes. What's more, we can change the sorting type. We can sort them by last time used or app name, and as you can see right now they are listed alphabetically. Let me get back and let's check Wi-Fi info. Here we can check API configuration and the status, for example. Let's refresh the stats, and as you can see, we can check the Wi-Fi state, the SSID or network ID. We can run ping test also. Let me get it back and let's check NFC settings. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the info about NFC settings, the AID routing. After tapping on it, we can change the options from HCE to SIM. Let me get it back because that's all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open Diagnostics. It is *##426#*##. And as I said, we are in a Diagnostics. Here we can check the server, host port, time connected and signal level. What's more, we can tap on events, and here we've got some further technical details. What's more, we can show advanced view. Just tap on the events status, go back here and tap on the 3 dots icon and tap on advanced view. And as you can see, we've got much more options to check. For example, we can check last ping, all stored connections or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me open engineering mode, and we have to use the code, which is *##2486#*##. And as you can see, we are in an engineering mode, and here we have to give some permissions. So we have to allow our device to use the location, to record audio, to access, to control the radio service. So just tap on allow, sensor data, and as you can see, we just entered the CQA test, and here we've got some options. We've got the sequence mode, for example. You can continue sequential test. I don't want to do that. What's more, we can tap on alt test, and as you can see, we can check that here we've got no alt test run on this device. So well, actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Motorola Moto G30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.